Hey, welcome you guys, friends, family on Facebook. I just wanted to come to you guys, give you a little quick clip of my new install. In this install, this is my hair. First of all, I want to give you, if you ladies are looking for some really beautiful 7A all the way up to 10A hair, Midnight Hair Extensions, we do carry that. You can also order on our website at www.midnighthairectensions.com, or you can come by the store that's located here in the Tallahassee, Florida area. You go to my website, you can also see the directions there. You can also call me at 850-329-2932, and it's only in serious inquiries only, you guys. So if you're interested in buying good quality hair for a great affordable price, just stop by Midnight Hair Extensions, or you can Google me, Midnight Hair Extensions. Well, so let me get straight to the point. This is my deep curly. I'm going to zoom in on the hair. Deep curly, and this is a closure, a 16-inch closure, 16, 18, and 20 inch. I have a total of 3 bundles in a closure, and that is deep curly, and this is the 7A here. Nice and pretty. Look at those curls. I'm going to get close. You see? You like that? Nice curly. Curls are popping, baby. It moves. Nice flow. Got a lot of nice body here. You can flip it back if you want to. And Janasia Johnson, if I got the Johnson right, Janasia, you can find her on Facebook. She installed this piece here. She installed my bundles, but the bundles I sell here at Midnight Hair Extensions, and she's located in Valdosta, Georgia. And you can go on her Facebook page, say Janasia Johnson, and you can look her up. Very good. She does great work. Natural looking closures and all, lace frontals, you name it, she has it for you. Great affordable price as well with her as well. But if you're looking in the area, and when you're looking, oh, well, let me show y'all the back, because you know I got to show you the back too. Let's see if we can swing around. Can y'all see in the back? And I'm shooting this video in my store here at Midnight Hair Extensions, so you see all the clothes, boutique items in the background. You see a nice floor here. My hair is back there. Let me zoom in. Trying to see if y'all can see it. In the back. I just want you to be able to see, even if I stand up, you can see the hair. Let me see if I can move this chair. Bear with me, you guys. But you see the hair? I'm barely even moving my head. You want that hair to move. You want it to flow. Look at there. Nice and soft. Very beautiful hair. Look at there. Nice. Okay? I'm going to flip it back on me. Turn it back around. Girl, I just took a picture. Well, anyway. I was trying to flip it around, but I guess I don't have to flip it around since I have it on me. But yeah. And that was just the back. So I just pulled it back in the front here. And like I said before, I'm here shooting this video here at Midnight Hair Extensions, located on 3507 Suite D, North Monroe Street, Tallahassee, Florida, 32303. And feel free, like I said, if you're looking for quality hair for a great affordable price, don't sleep on me over here. I'm telling you, great hair for a great affordable price. I do bundle deals, I do discounts, I do a lot of nice things for my lovely ladies out there that are looking for some great quality hair for a great affordable price. But I am loving these curls, y'all. Look at those nice curls. You can even get close to it too. And y'all, let me tell you, it's like this when it dry. I got a slight mist of water on here right now. Even when you don't, and it's already starting to dry anyway, too, as I speak. It's already starting to dry. You can wear it big if you want it big. It's your choice. But over and out for now. I just want you guys to see this beautiful hair. Look at there. Look, I'm trying to get it all. I'm not going to go past 5 minutes because I don't like long videos here. But look at there. Look, y'all look. Girl, you want to get sexy for the club. Girl. All right, kitties. So y'all don't hesitate. Come over here and check your girl out and get y'all these nice, beautiful bundles over here at Midnight Hair Extensions. So I am running, I've been doing so many crazy specials this past holiday season or whatnot. And I'm still running a 3 bundle special for 14-inch 7/8 Peruvian straight for $100, and it's while product lasts. So ladies, if you're looking for hair, you need 3 bundles for $100. Y'all don't sleep on it. You better get it while supplies last. If I don't have the hair here in the store for you, I can order the hair, and I can get the hair to you as quick and fast as anything. Okay, so what you need to do is come on over to Midnight Hair Extensions, or give me a call. Check my website out at www.midnighthairectensions.com. And right now we're going to be over and we're going to be out. Enjoy your day. Happy Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. Love you all. See you soon. Bye for now.